Do trading bots work? Hello, friends, and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now, in this video, we'll talk about these topics that do trading bots work or Forex bot versus manual trading. Okay. So, right now, we are on a screen on the page. It says most important video you will ever see in Forex trading. Watch the full breakdown till the end of how this EA has delivered consistent growth over years of rigorous backtesting, complete setup guidance, and clear pricing structure for traders of all levels. Okay, so this is an EA as well, and this is the EA designed, created, programmed, developed by me only. Okay, so this is the reason you should watch this video till the end, first of all, because when you go on the internet, you don't really get to listen to or talk to the creator of the EA. Okay, so if you go to some website which is selling some robots, or you watch some YouTube videos, so those people are maybe affiliates doing the reviews, and they are doing it for their commission, which is fine. But you don't really get to listen to the owner, the programmer, the creator who has created that EA. Do you? You don't, right? So I am the person who has created this EA. So directly you're listening to me, who has developed this EA from his own brain. Okay. So if you want to come to this page, first of all, so you can go and check out the first link below my YouTube video. It will be saying swing trading on automation. Click on the first link, then come to this page, and here you will have to watch this video till the end to understand, to see the results rather, because we have done the back testing for multiple pairs for 5 years, and you will see all those results in this video when you come to this website and watch the results. Okay, and again, I'm telling you, this is my website, this is my EA, I have programmed it, I am making this video directly, and you will be dealing with me only. Okay, so if you go below the video, click on the first link, swing trading automation, come to this page, watch the video, and the second link, join Telegram. If you want some free signals every now and then, join my Telegram, and then check out the best brokers and I perform right here. Because when you do trading, any kind of trading, manual or this automated, you need to be able to withdraw your profits when you make the money. Okay, so you need to have the reliable brokers. I have seen people into trading and then quit trading because they just lose the money to brokers. Broker don't pay them, the broker run away with the money. So it's very crucial. This is the backbone of this business. Okay, if you have stupid brokers, then you will never be able to get any profits back. Okay, so make sure you go and check out these brokers. I have tested them for 4 years and they pay me on time. Okay, so go and join these brokers using my link below. And then coming back to the topic of this video, that do bots really trading bots really work or not? Okay, see, what I will say, that if you go on the internet, you will find plenty of robots. Okay, now either you go and buy all of those trading bots and then test each one by one and spend thousands and thousands of dollars, because nobody else will do that on your behalf. Okay, so if you are into free robots, you're only wasting your time, my friend. Okay, if something is for free, that's absolutely not worth it. Not worth it means that it will not give you profits in the long term. Okay, so you cannot expect a robot to make you profits for next 6 months continuously. You will blow up your account pretty soon, right? So something which is free because it's not that, it doesn't have that kind of value. Okay, if something is being sold to you for $1,000, it probably has that value. If something is being sold to you for, let's say, $5,000, well, that has that kind of value. Okay, so if you go on the internet, you will find several EAs starting with $100, $200, $500, $1,000, $1,500. I have seen it. Okay, so I have seen these MT4, MT5 EAs. If you go to those websites, and you will find these EAs. Now, the only problem with the people who are doing the reviews, or even me. So, for example, let's say there's a $1,000 EA in the marketplace, and you know the name of that EA, and then you come on YouTube and you see the reviews, how that EA is performing. Now, understand one thing here: $1,000 EA, and somebody who's doing the review for that EA is not going to buy that. You understand? So if I have to do the review for a $1,000 EA, first, I'm not going to buy that. Why would I buy $1,000 EA just to make a review video on my YouTube channel? I will not buy. Nobody will buy. Okay, so this is the problem. The problem for you will be that you will have plenty of options there. Somebody will be selling something to you in 500, in 200, in 1,000, in 1,500, but you don't know because you haven't tested it until you buy it. And at the same time, nobody else will test it for you by buying it, because nobody has any job. Yeah, I mean, nobody owes you anything, okay? So it's not my job to buy a 1,000 or $2,000 EA and test it on your behalf so that I can come and make a video. Nobody will do that. You understand that? So that is why only certain people who are customers, they can buy that EA and test it out, and then if they make money, they don't really have to come and tell you, because they are not YouTubers, they are traders, okay? So not everybody who has got the EA can come and make YouTube videos. They simply make money in the back end, that's it, okay? So the point I am trying to make here is that, does EA work? Some EAs do work, okay? The more costly they are, the more trustworthy you can think they are, okay? I don't recommend buying anything beyond $1,000, because if the EA is priced $1,000 or more, that surely has got some a hardcore strategy inbuilt inside that EA, okay? And the question is, forex forex robot versus manual trading. Well, manual trading is not everybody can do, but robotic trading everybody can do. Quite simple difference. So it's a stupid question if you have this kind of question in your mind, that should I do forex robot trading or should I do manual trading? That's the wrong question, my friend. The real question should be that, do you know manual trading? Okay, because if you are a pro manual trader, then there's no need for an EA. Okay, because you know what has happened here. This EA I have designed, I have invented, because the strategy was in my human brain. Okay, so it was the idea in my mind, it is my knowledge in my human brain. So all I have done is I have transferred that knowledge of mine into this robot, into the programming language. And now technically, if you install this EA on your chart, it will be my human brain working on your chart, just in the form of a robot. Okay, so if you know manual trading, you can make multiple EAs. But if you only buy the EA, then you don't learn manual trading. Okay. So this question, which is a wrong question, that should you do forex trading with a robot or should you do it manually? The real question is, do you know how to do manual trading? If you are a pro in manual trading, then you don't need any kind of EA. Okay. But if you can do manual trading, then you can make as many EAs you like. Okay, so I have tested multiple EAs. Okay, but the one which I have finalized is this TubeFX EA, which is based on daily swing trading. So I'm the first human on the planet to code daily chart swing trading into a robot. You might have seen, oh, this EA works on 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 1 hour chart. That's all bullshit. Okay, there's no I mean, if it works for them, it works for them. I don't really take any ownership in that. Okay, I can talk about my EA only, because this EA has been tested rigorously with aggressive lot size for 5 years on multiple forex pairs. And if the EA can survive with aggressive lot size for 5 years, then it will easily survive with the less lot size for number of years to come. And when you go and decide to buy this EA from me, you will be chatting with me, emailing me, and I will tell you the exact lot size you could use, or the maximum lot size you could use, depending on your capital amount which you will deposit to start trading. Okay, so again, let's do the quick recap here. Do trading bots really work? In my recommendation, any trading bot which is sold to you over $1,000, that does work, because people, those people who have made those EAs, including me, we are not stupid. Okay, so those people who created the EA in the software form, by transferring their strategy, by transferring their human knowledge, we have done the hard work. Okay, we are not stupid. We have tested it. We have shown you the results. When you come to this page, you can see the results yourself. Okay, so those people who are selling the robots for more than $1,000, they're not stupid. They have done their hard work. They know what they're giving you. They know it is capable of making money. That is why it is being sold to you for more than $1,000. Okay, so I think any EA which is being sold to you for more than $1,500, it's really, really worth it. It's only the matter of time that, and one more thing here, when you go and buy other EAs, or watch videos from other people, you don't really know who is behind this EA, who is the creator. I told you in the beginning that you are talking to me or you're listening to me directly, that I have created this EA. So technically, you know that this is the person, okay? But when you go on the other random websites on the internet, you don't know who is the owner and what's the strategy inside the EA. And I'm telling you clearly, I have transferred my brain into this EA and you're listening to me directly, okay? So this is the major difference, that when you will be having questions, you can scroll down and you can see, you can drop me email, you can ask your questions over the email, or you can contact me on the Microsoft chat here using this email, okay? So you can ask your questions directly to me, and you have this confidence that you are actually talking to the person who has created this EA. In other cases, when you go and buy other EAs, you never can't, maybe directly contact the person who created, because you know what happens? These people hire other programmers, okay? So maybe somebody is running the website, but the EA was created by the programmer. So the programmer only did a freelancing job for some time. Okay. So, they are selling the EA to you, but if you have some questions, they can't answer it because they never created the EA, because they are not the programmers. Okay. In my case, I am the website owner, I am the programmer, I am the EA owner, I am the blah, blah, blah. Everything is me. So if your question comes to me, I know what to answer. Okay. So that is why if you want an EA which works on daily chart swing trading, and it has been tested with aggressive lot size for 5 years and it has not blown up the account, it has survived, and if see how many pairs you can trade and other benefits, and in the end I will say, do trading bots work? Well, absolutely, mine works. I can vouch for myself, I can vouch for my EA. Definitely my EA works, because nobody else will go and spend their thousands of dollars to test out other EAs. So I have tested my EA. It works, definitely works. And the question, Forex trading versus Forex robots versus manual trading. If you are a pro trader like me, you don't need EA. You can do your manual trading on daily chart if you're a pro trader, experienced trader like me. If not, if you're just a intermediate beginner or newbie, then yes, if you want peace of mind, if you don't want to look into charts, if you don't want to learn anything, if you don't want to go through that stage where you lose money for 1-2 years and then only start making money, if you don't want to deal with that situation, then it's best, if you're a newbie or intermediate, to go with the robot. And you can come below the video, check out the first link, click on swing trading automation, and then come and check out this video. Then only you will understand what I'm saying here. And then join Telegram, check out the brokers, sign up with these trusted brokers. Otherwise, you might lose money if you go with any other. Subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.